G'day guys, Grumpy Trev back again with another review. Remember the Snappy6? Well, the good people at Banggood have sent me a Snappy7. And this thing, well, if you've seen the Snappy6 video, this is really the same thing except this 75mm across. The motor's a little bit different. The motors are slightly bigger, the 703s instead of the 603s. And the props are 40mm props. So other than that, the specs are the same. So look, I'll put the specs down below if you want to have a look. If not, you can actually see the other video. I go through the specs on that. I'm not going to worry about putting it on the bench. We're going to take this for a spin. And I can tell you, this thing, well, I thought the Snappy6 was good. Have a look at the video, see what you think, and I'll see you after the video. Oh guys, what do you think about that? That's the most fun I've had with my clothes on for a long time. I really enjoy flying this. Look, for proximity, it's fantastic. It's just so stable. And it's got a bit of grunt about it too. I've got a couple of speed runs with it, but flying indoors, outdoors, it was great. Really did enjoy it. So I can highly recommend this one over the Snapper6. So if you're looking for something small, this is only 10mm bigger than the Snapper6. Same price. So look, if you're going to get one of these small ones, this is the one to go for. It comes out in two versions. There's a basic version and a standard version. The difference is the standard version has 3 batteries. and a charger. I think the basic version is $116 AU, $87 US. The standard version, that's the one with the batteries, is $129 Australian and $96 US. Anyone can fly one of these. They are so stable and they're strong too. So if you want to learn how to fly a drone inside and whatever, these things bounce off anything. Nice little aluminium protectors. They just do the job. So I'll leave a link down below if you're interested. And look, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you don't, well, stiff shit. Catch you later.